Professor Christine Stauber in the School of Public Health has done work in the Dominican Republic on setting up a water testing laboratory, water testing facility at a university there. Different projects. She's worked with an NGO and with the CDC in Western Kenya on the behavioral aspects of clean drinking water. She's got a partnership with the University of North Carolina, again, on clean drinking water issues. So there's a variety of different projects, all focused towards clean drinking water, whether it's in South America or in sub-Saharan Africa. The collaboration with other universities happens at the faculty member level. So faculty members will identify individuals at other institutions that they'll work with based on mutual interest and talents and resources. So I don't have a list of examples off the top of my head, but I would recommend that, particularly in the global health space and the clean water space, you could talk with Michael Erickson, who's the founding dean of the School of Public Health, or Dr. Stauber herself, specifically about her collaborations. But I know that the ones she has done in particular have grown out of the postdoctoral and doctoral work she did at UNC, so continuing relationships with people she's worked with before. Yeah, there's always opportunities for students to get involved, and so there's the opportunities most specifically around whether it's through graduate work as research assistants or members of research teams, but undergraduates also being able to be paired up with faculty members in undergraduate research experiences. In an undergraduate education, there's the main part that everybody does is they complete the courses for the degree. But there's so much more that you can get out of your university experience than just going to class and getting the degree. And some of those experiences that I alluded to in the session, one of which is to do substantial service learning, to get involved in a service way, but not just as a volunteer, but so that there's an academic component to it, that there's actual some structured goals, if you will, some real defined objectives for learning as part of it. So, it's one part to volunteer, and we've got, literally thousands of students putting in hundreds of thousands, if not 1 million hours, at Georgia State every year. But there's the opportunity. There are service learning projects that there are already available through the university. Some of those are through freshman learning communities. Others are through one of our offices under the Office of Student Engagement. So that's one type of experience a student can have, where they have experience outside the classroom, and I really refer to this as learning beyond the classroom. Another experience is undergraduate research, as I just alluded to, is potentially working with faculty members in research in the global health space and the clean water space or anywhere, is working with a faculty member, actually doing original research and having that experience as an undergraduate. Another area that's very beneficial to students is to have a substantial internship. And lots of students want to do this, and there's multiple good reasons for it. One is to actually learn how what it is you're learning gets applied. Another is it's a great resume builder and having the experience when you go out into the job market. So all of those are good or great things to do as a student. It's a matter of being able to balance your interest, the time you have available, and the opportunities that are out there.